Hello everyone. First of all, let's check the inspirational picture from Pinterest. Look at this design, this backdrop, and this table setting. Today I'm going to make the decoration like this with the material I have. Very easy. Let's go. Okay, first of all, we will make the hook decoration, and I will use the hula hook. Our hula hook is 65 in diameter, 65 cm, and use our flower support wire. Look, they are iron wire inside, so you can bend to make different shape. Okay, and since we want to use the flower to decorate this face of the hula hook, not this side of the hula hook. So when we tied our material on the hook, we will bend like this, around the shape of the hook, hula hook, not bend like this. It's different. Not bend like this. If you bend like this, all the flower only would be decorate this side of the hula hook. But if you bend the hook like this, so the flower will on this face of the hula hook, right? Okay, then I will tie the flower support wire on the hook. You can use a string, and I will use this tape. So I tie the flower support wire on the front face of the hook, not side face, the side of the hook. And I also tie two ends of the hook to make sure it will be 100% firm. Okay, then the next step, very simple. Just insert the flower and the leaf on the spine. Since I already put a tutorial to show you how to look the spine and the flower. Since I already take a tutorial to show you how to make the flower white, flower red. If you are interested, you can click here to watch the video. I don't show you much about how to make the flower red on this video. Very simple actually. Just put the flower on the spine will be okay. And I will show you the effect after I complete it. Okay, completed. Let's check it. I use a lot of flower and leaf, and for this part, you can spray it as gold or silver color, or you can tie with the ribbon, and I will use a paper to wrap it. Okay, look, I cut several stripes from the paper like this, and then I will use it. Use the double face tape and put it here and wrap the paper around the hula hoop. You can use the hot glue by instead. That will be much more faster. Okay, I will show you the effect. Okay, look, completed with the Floral Wreath. And I hang it tight with a string on the hook and hook it on the top of the stand, like this. And on the end of the wreath, I just grab a branch of this leaf wire and tie around the end of the flower wreath, so the come out will be much more nature. Now let's check the effect after I hang it on the backdrop. Okay, let's check the effect. Look, it's very beautiful, very elegant. In reality, much more beautiful than the effect you watch from the screen. Okay, then let's make the set up the table and put it in front of the backdrop. Okay, let's set up our tablecloth. This is our eye-seal fabric. So the first step, we need to put on our table cover, and we need to put on our table skirt clip. Okay, completed by putting all the clip around the table. The more clip you use on the table, the more sticky the table skirt will stick on the table. Okay, then the next step, we stick the table skirt on the table. Okay, the next step, we need to set up the floral foam base and put it on the table. About the floral foam base, we have two materials. One is using our net and put a floral foam on the net, like this. You can check the footage cut from my old tutorial. Okay, this is our floral foam and our foam holder. Put the flower foam on the holder will be okay. I use this flower foam and holder many times, so it's not the effect like this. Okay, back to our tutorial. So you will got the foam base like this, and the other material, you can buy the already made foam cage like this, so you can direct tie it on the table, will be okay. Using this way will help to save much more money, as my opinion, as I know. Okay, the next step, we need to tie the foam base onto the table. In order to hold the foam base, I add several more of the iron clip on the table. Just like that. Use the twig wire. Use the longer twig wire will be better. My twig wire not long enough. just put it, go through the iron clip. Okay, so finally, I tied 3 of the foam base on the table. Okay, the next step, we need to put the flower on the foam. Okay, putting the flower, use our flower head and our saucepan. If you want to make the runner much more wider or rich, you can use longer stem, but I think the short stem will quite enough because the foam is white also. And then put it on the foam. Also the leaf. Okay, I will show you the effect after I put on all the flower. Okay, look, this is the effect after I set up the flower on the table. Very easy, very beautiful. Okay, I will put it in front of the backdrop. Okay, look, this is the effect after I set up the table and put it in front of the backdrop. Let's check the whole effect. Look, since I just make a simple mock-up and not using my table, it's just a working table, not an event table. So if your table will be wider and the backdrop make it much more wider, the come out will be much more pretty. Okay, let's zoom in to check the detail, check our material again. Look, the tablecloth, our flowers, different flower and different leaf. Also, our hook, Floral Wreath, and our backdrop. For your information, we supply all material used on the tutorial. If you are interested, you can find the link on below information field to my Facebook. Send me a message for the code, or you can check the product price and the detail by link to my blog. You can find all the link on the information field below this video. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.